Welcome to the Universe episodes, where we explore the mysteries of the cosmos. In today's episode, we delve into the captivating world of star formation. Join us as we uncover the secrets behind the birth of stars and unravel the wonders of the universe. Stars, those celestial beacons that light up our night sky, are not only beautiful to behold, but also play a crucial role in the grand tapestry of the cosmos. From the smallest dwarf stars to the colossal giants, each star has a unique journey. Today, we embark on an exploration of the life cycle of stars, from their formation to their eventual demise. But before we delve into the life cycle, let's first understand how stars are formed. Deep within the vastness of space, colossal clouds of gas and dust, known as nebulae, come together under the force of gravity. These cosmic nurseries are the birthplaces of stars. As these gas clouds collapse, they heat up and spin faster, forming a protostar at the center. Over time, as the protostar continues to accrete mass, its core becomes denser and hotter, eventually reaching temperatures high enough to ignite nuclear fusion. This process, known as nuclear fusion, unleashes an incredible amount of energy, causing the protostar to shine brightly and transform into a true star. And thus, a new star is born, illuminating the vastness of space. Stars come in various shapes and sizes, each with its own unique characteristics. From the scorching blue giants to the cool red dwarfs, the universe is adorned with a dazzling array of stellar wonders. These celestial bodies not only provide us with light and warmth, but also serve as cosmic laboratories, forging elements that make up the building blocks of life itself. The life cycle of stars is a complex and fascinating journey, and understanding it allows us to glimpse the immense power and beauty of the universe. Join us in the next episode of the Universe episodes as we continue our exploration, diving deeper into the hottest stars in the universe, the coldest stars that defy the limits of cold, and the brightest stars that guide us through the night. Don't miss out on the fascinating world of stars. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more enlightening episodes. Together, let's unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. Until then, keep your eyes on the stars and your mind open to the wonders of the universe. This has been the Universe episodes, exploring the mysteries of the cosmos. Thank you for joining us on this celestial journey.